Hello everyone, my name is Tim Lee Michael. Welcome to another Draw Too Much sketch lesson here on my channel. I am excited to start talking about the idea of mouths with you, drawing and caricaturing mouths. There's going to be quite a few videos in this 5-minute series that we're going to be doing on how to draw mouths in caricature. It's a big topic and a very key thing to remember, because if you want to get likeness, mouths do many different things that you need to see, from the mouth to the teeth to the lips, all of that. How it works with muscles in the face, all very key. So let's go ahead and tell Siri to set our timer for 5 minutes and get this tutorial started. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes, please.
Okay, your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Our timer is set and rocking and rolling. So let's just go ahead and do a very, very quick synopsis of what you need to keep in mind as you draw mouths, okay? Now, a lot of kids, when we grow up, of course, we're used to the idea that you draw a smile and then you draw your outer portion of your smile, you know, kind of like a cute little cloud. Nope, you can't see behind my video. Here. There we go. Hopefully now you can see that one a little better. How about that? That one right there. That's what we're used to drawing, right? We're used to that kind of a smile. Well, we're used to that kind of a smile because it does have key elements that we need to be keeping an eye out for in real smiles. These right here are supposed to be kind of like cheeks or laugh lines, and that is this right here. And we need to understand a little bit more about these laugh lines to help us understand how to draw a smile better. Now, there's many, many different kinds of smiles that we're going to be covering in these videos. There's going to be many videos of the smile/mouth series. So sit tight. We might jump out of this and jump back into it, but we'll try to remember to create a playlist on this too. Let's go ahead and just do a basic synopsis of a generalized smile, okay? First off, we have our mouth itself, okay? Now, the mouth itself usually starts on two ends, and then it comes up and then down, okay? And same on the other side, kind of like this, and then connects right here, okay? Now, in this area here, then what you're going to have is you're going to have the top lip, which is kind of usually formed like this. Of course, there's many different kinds and many different smiles. This is not what you're going to see on everybody's face, but it's a basic theory. And then the bottom lip is going to come off of this side right here, kind of like this, okay? Now, you need to remember shape and dynamic, okay? We need to not just look at this as a flat pane, not just drawn on paper. We need to think about this in 3D. So here's something that's important. This part of the lip here comes out towards us, okay? And that kind of goes inward into the smile, okay? So if we draw these age lines per se, you can see that everything creases in to the inside of the mouth, okay? Same with the bottom lip. Bottom lip, everything is going to curl inward, okay? Coming out towards the skin, okay? Just like that. So if we were to shade this, all of our darkened shading is going to sit really close to the inside here, kind of like in here, okay? The whole top lip, except for the very top, is going to be in shadow as well, because it's all coming inward. Can't really see with my mustache, but it's all coming inward. And then the bottom part of the lip here, unless it's a big lip, it's going to connect immediately back to the skin, coming down here, and then that's going to continue to create shape heading downwards to the chin, okay? That's all part of the general shape that you need to keep in mind. Where's the highlight? Where's the shadow? It's going to help you get definition. Someplace that gets a lot of highlight on a lip is right above the lip, right here. Usually there's a lot of highlight right here in this moment as the skin turns back inward and heads up towards the nose, okay? And this is something that we see on everyone's face, and it might be more exaggerated than others. What exaggerates this form is the teeth inside the head, and how much they push on this lip area here. The more they push out, the more this gets highlighted, okay? And this is also a very key area that helps create the laugh line, because as we come off of the nose, if I put my nose area here, and I'm almost out of time, if I put my nose here, roughly, and then I draw a laugh line coming off of here. The laugh line, what it is doing is it is saying, okay, all of this shape here all comes to this point, and then it completely changes form. It completely rotates. The skin makes a move in a completely opposite direction and forms a different path. Looks like an old person, doesn't it? Well, I mean, that's a wonderful thing. Older people help really show definition of skin. It's a very beneficial thing to see a person and be able to read this, okay? We need to think about where the highlight is, where the shadows are going to lie in those laugh lines, and then how it's all going to push off from there. Now, I know this is a lot of detail in a quick little tutorial. We have a long way to go, and we're going to start with just a closed mouth. We're going to look at a couple different kinds of closed mouths. My timer is up. So let's go ahead and finish this video up. Thank you so much for watching. We have a lot more to talk about. Like I said, it's going to be a long series of videos talking about mouths, and I hope that you enjoy them. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below that I can read on a couple of my future videos. Don't forget, I make several of these videos in a row in a single day. So if you do not see me answering back your comments, make sure you watch a couple videos before you think I've missed you, okay? Right now I don't get many comments, so there's a great opportunity to have your comment answered on my videos. By the way, you'll know that I've made a couple of them because I've been wearing this Bazinga shirt for about 3 or 4 videos so far. In continuation of this, we have to look at how every different person can smile with a closed mouth, and then we'll move forward on trying to figure out how to get that smile open, take a look at teeth, and lots of definition. Oh, it's a long list of videos that you are going to love. Alright? Leave a comment down below, like I said, so I can read it on my videos and answer your questions, or make a video on your question. I love doing that too. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell button if you want to see upcoming videos. And if you really enjoy these videos and you want to show some support, which is amazing, thank you, come on over to my Patreon page. The link is in the description below. And please check out the idea of supporting me on Patreon. $1 goes a long way. You have no idea. And I greatly appreciate all of my supporters who are supporting me monthly as I make all of these videos. We make 2 videos a week as of right now, and we're working very diligently to get them out to you, and we're releasing them 3 days early on Patreon. If you want to see our videos come out early, they come out 3 days early, and it's really cool. Thank you so much for checking out my videos and supporting me on Patreon. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that bell button, by the way, so you can get new videos updated right away. Okay? Alright, we will see you in our next video as we continue taking a look at how to draw mouths. Until then, God bless you guys. See you next time.